The continuation of exercise number 10.3. Question number 3. The given function y equal to cos of it is tan x. So now differentiate equation. Now let us consider the within the bracket term that is equal to u equal to tan x. That implies what is the y equal to cos of tan x considered as u. Write as cos it is u. Y equal to cos tan x considered as u, therefore y equal to cos it is u. Now u function with respect to x, y function with respect to u. Differentiate u function with respect to x, du by it is dx, that is equal to differentiation of tan become it is secant square it is x. Then it is dy by it is du, that is equal to differentiation of cos become minus it is sin it is u. Now by applying of it is chain rule. What is chain rule? dy by it is dx, that is equal to dy by it is du into it is du by it is dx. Now that is equal to dy by dx, that is equal to minus it is sin u into du by dx equal to secant square x. Secant square it is x. Now just replace u value equal to tan x, that is equal to minus sin of tan x into secant square it is x. That is final simplification. Next, question number 5. The given it is function y equal to e power square root of it is x. Again let us consider the power term that is equal to it is root of x, that is equal to u. Take u that is equal to root it is x. That means it is root x, we can write x power it is 1 by 2. Because of square root we can write a power equal to 1 by 2. And that implies what is the y equation, y is equal to e power, the total it is power term is considered as u, therefore it is e power it is u. Then again u with respect to x, y with respect to it is u, differentiation du by dx, that is equal to, using this it is expression to differentiate, the differentiation in the form of what is that? D by it is dx of it is x power it is n form. What is the derivative? N into x power it is n minus 1. X power it is n form, x power it is 1 by 2, in the form of it is x power n. What is the derivative of x power n? N into x power it is n minus 1. So therefore n is called 1 by 2, n 1 by it is 2 into x power it is 1 by 2 minus it is 1. N into x power it is n minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into x power it is 1 minus 2 by it is minus 2 minus it is 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by it is 2 into x power it is, because of minus term right in the denominator it is plus it is 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into root of it is x, because of it is power equal to 1 by 2. Now derive the second term, it is y equal to e power it is y. In dy by it is du, that is equal to e power it is u becomes same e power u. You know the formula, it is d by dx of it is e power it is x, that is equal to same it is e power x. Therefore differentiation of it is e power u becomes same it is e power u. Now again applying of it is chain rule, dy by dx, that is equal to dy by it is du into du by it is dx. Now dy by du, that is equal to e power u, that is equal to e power it is u, and du by dx equal to 1 by 2 into root of it is x, 1 by 2 into root of it is x, that is equal to applying of it is u value, u that is equal to what we considered u equal to root of it is x. Therefore e power it is root of x by 2 into root it is x, that is called derivative dy by it is dx. That is final simplification. The next one, question number 8. H of t equal to t minus 1 by t whole power it is 3 by 2. Again we can take it is within the bracket the term that is equal to u, that is equal to t minus 1 by it is t, and that is implies h of it is t, that is equal to this total term says here u, we can write u power it is 3 by it is 2. Therefore the u function with respect to t and h function with respect to u, differentiate the value, and before the differentiation there is no formula for it is 1 by t, we can write numerator form t minus t power it is minus 1. It is called u. Now differentiate with respect to what? T. Therefore du by dt, that is equal to differentiation of it is t becomes same it is t. differentiation of it is t with respect to t, it is what? It is 1. Therefore, differentiation with respect to x as x, that is equal to 1. Differentiation with respect to t as it is t, it is 1 minus and x power it is n form, n equal to it is minus 1, minus it is 1 into t power minus 1 minus 1. Applying of it is x power n formula, n into x power n minus it is 1. That is equal to 1 minus minus plus t power it is minus it is 2, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by it is t power it is 2, that is called it is du by it is a dt derivative. Now next differentiate the function dh by it is du with respect to u, that is equal to it is x power n form 3 by 2 into u power it is 3 by 2 minus 1. That is called it is x power n equal to n into x power n minus it is 1. That is equal to 3 by it is 2. U power it is 3 minus, take common denominator, 3 minus 2 by common denominator 2. Subtract the value, it is 1 by it is 2. That is equal to 3 by it is 2 square root of it is u. This is because of it is power equal to 1 by 2. Now apply the chain rule. By chain rule, dh by it is dt, that is equal to dh by du into it is du by it is dt. The h is function with respect to differential with respect to it is t, but applying of its chain rule and dh by du and du by dt, that is equal to dh by du, we derive the function is equal to 3 by 2 into square root of it is u into du by dt equal to 1 plus 1 by it is t square, 1 by 1 plus 1 by t square. Now applying of it is u value. What is u function? U function equal to t minus 1 by t. Therefore 3 by 2 into t minus 1 by t is called u within the square root of it is t minus 1 by t into 1 plus 1 by it is t square, and that is called dh by it is dt derivative. The next one, question number it is 10, y equal to cos of a cube plus it is x cube. Again, similarly, consider a term within the bracket that is equal to it is u. Take u that is equal to a cube plus it is x cube. That implies the function y equal to cos of the total term that is considered that is equal to u, that is cos u. Now u function with respect to x and a is called it is a constant term, and y function with respect to it is u. Therefore, derivative du by it is dx that is equal to the constant term 0 plus x power n form n equal to 3 into x power it is 3 minus 1. That is equal to 3 into it is x square. Now differentiate dy by it is du. Y function with respect to u, that is equal to differentiation of it is cos become minus it is sin it is u. Sin u. Now applying of chain rule, dy by it is dx that is equal to dy by it is du into du by it is dx. Now that is equal to dy by du equal to minus it is sin it is u into du by dx equal to 3 it is x square. That is equal to minus 3 x square into it is sin it is u value is what? U equal to a cube plus it is cube. That is a cube plus it is x cube is called it is u. Just substitute the u value here, and this is the final simplification. Next question number 15, y equal to x into e power minus x square, and this sum applying of it is uv differentiation, that is product rule. We know about product rule. D by it is dx of it is u into v is equal to u into it is dv by it is dx plus it is v into du by it is dx, and applying of it is the product rule. uv differentiation, first keep the first function as it is and differentiate the v function plus it is keep it is for second function as it is, differentiate first function du by dx, and here it is x is called it is u and it is second term is called it is v. Now the differentiation it is dy by it is dx that is equal to, and keep it is first it is a u function that is called x as it is, differentiate with respect to x as it is v function e power it is minus it is x square. Then plus it is keep it is first function second function e power minus x square as it is, and differentiate with respect to x. The first function is called it is u is called it is x, that is equal to x into differentiation of it is e power x. differentiate with respect to it is e power it is x, it is become same it is e power x. Suppose d by it is dx of it is e power it is ax, it became it is e power it is ax, again differentiate with respect to it is power term it is ax. And differentiation of ax become the a is called quotient term, x is differential with respect to it is x, it is 1, that is equal e power it is ax into it is a. Applying of this differentiation this formula to derive here. So here it is e power it is minus x square derivative, and e power it is minus x square becomes same it is term e power it is minus is x square. Again we want to differentiate power term, that is d by it is dx of it is minus it is x square. Then plus it is e power it is minus x square as it is, differentiate with respect to x as it is 1. Differentiation of the function x with respect to x it is 1. Then that is equal to x into e power minus x square as it is, differentiation with respect to x as it is minus it is 2x, x power n form. Minus into 2 is called it is n, 2 into x power it is 2 minus it is 1. And plus e power it is minus x square as it is. Now multiply term minus 2 into x into and x power 2 power it is x power it is 1. That is equal to minus 2 into x into e power minus it is x square into, you can multiply the term it is x plus it is e power it is minus x square. That is equal in this 2 term, and e power minus x square is common, we can take e power it is minus x square commonly, remaining minus 2 into x it is x square, and then plus it is 1. That is equal to e power it is minus x square within the bracket 1 minus 2 it is x square, and that is called it is final simplification. The next one, 16, s of t equal to the fourth root of it is t cube plus it is 1 by t cube minus it is 1. Now let us consider it is y that is equal to f, s of it is t, that is equal to fourth root of it is t power 3 plus it is 1 by t power it is 3 minus it is 1. Now fourth root we can write that is equal to it is t power it is 3 plus it is 1 by t power 3 minus 1 whole power it is 1 by it is 4. Now bring the power inside the bracket, it is equal to t power it is 3 plus it is 1 whole power it is 1 by it is 4 by it is t power it is 4, t power it is 3 minus 1 whole power it is 1 by it is 4. Now this term write in numerator form, that is equal to t power it is 3 plus it is 1 whole power it is 1 by it is 4 into t power it is 3 minus 1 whole power it is minus it is 1 by 4. And that is called it is what? It is y. So therefore it is y that is equal to t power 3 plus it is 1 whole power it is 1 by 4 into t power 3 minus 1 whole power it is minus it is 1 by 4, and this called it is it is y function. This it is y function. We can take applying of it is uv differentiation. First of all we can take within the bracket terms, one is called u, another one is called v. Take u that is equal to t power 3 plus it is 1, and then it is v equal to t cube minus it is 1. Now substitute it is u and v in the y function. Therefore it is y that is equal to, first term is called u power it is 1 by 4 into second term is called v, t cube minus 1 is called v, it is v power it is minus 1 by it is 4, and it is called it is y function. Now this is the differentiation with respect to it is y function what? Y is the function with respect to it is t, and therefore applying of it is chain rule, it is called it is u, and this one is called it is v. Applying of chain rule, we know that it is d by it is dx of it is u into v, that is equal to u into dv by it is dx plus it is v into du by it is dx. Apply this in this product rule, applied here. Here it is u equal to u power it is 1 by 4, v equal to v power it is minus it is 1 by 4. Now differentiation with respect to it is t, therefore dy by it is dt is left hand side equation. Now first keep the first term, it is u power it is 1 by 4 as it is, differentiate with respect to t as it is v power it is minus 1 by 4 plus, and keep it is v power minus 1 by 4 as it is, differentiate with respect to t, the first term it is called u power it is 1 by 4. Now differentiation that is equal to u power t is 1 by 4 as it is into differentiation with respect to t it is a term and x power n form. What is the n here? Minus 1 by 4. Minus it is 1 by 4 into v power it is minus 1 by 4 minus it is 1 and then again differentiate with respect to it is a v. Because differentiation with respect to t but it is given this the differentiation with the function is called v. So the v function, what is the v function? It is called v function equal to t cube minus this one. Therefore, again the differentiation of it is v function with respect to t here, and that's the important one. Again similarly, and v power it is minus 1 by 4, it is as it is. Differentiate here it is what? It is x power n form, n equal 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into u power it is 1 by 4 minus this one. Again differentiate it is d by it is dt within the bracket of u. Again once again keep it is u power it is 1 by 4 it is as it is. Differentiate it is v power it is minus 1 by 2 with respect to t. X power it is n form, n into x power it is n minus 1. Again within the term is called v that we have to differentiate again with respect to t. Again second term and v power it is minus 1 by 4 keep as it is. Differentiation of u power it is 1 by 4 and here n value equal 1 by 4 n into x power it is n minus this 1. Again we want to differentiate the function is u with respect to t, d by dx and dt of it is u. Now substitute the v function and u function here, differentiate again. And that is equal to, what is the term here? It is minus 1 by 4, u power 1 by 4 and v power it is minus 1 by 4 and multiply term it is 4 here, minus 1 minus 4 it is minus 5 by it is 4. Therefore u power it is 1 by 4 into minus it is 1 by it is 4, v power it is minus it is 5 by it is 4 into d by it is dt of v is called t cube minus it is 1. We know the function v is called it is t cube minus 1 plus v power it is minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 as it is into u power it is multiply again 1 minus it is 4 taking common denominator 1 by 4 minus 1 we can write 1 by minus 4 by it is common denominator equal to 4 that is equal to minus 3 by it is for simplification. Therefore minus 3 by it is for simplification into d by dt of u function equal to t cube plus it is 1. Now this it is two terms are differentiate mixed and that is equal to minus 1 by it is 4 into u power it is 1 by 4 into v power minus it is 5 by it is 4 and within the bracket differentiation of it is t power 3 minus 1. Here it is what? X power n form n equal to 3. 3 into t power it is 3 minus 1 minus constant term equal to 0 plus it is 1 by it is 4 into v power it is 1 minus 1 by 4 into u power it is minus 3 by it is 4 into differentiation of t power 3 equal to x power n form. It is 3 into t power 3 minus 1 and plus it is constant term equal to 0. Next line. Just we have to taking off it is common term minus 1 by it is 4 is common and it is x power and u power it is 3 t square is common. Therefore it is 3 t square by it is 4 is common. We can take common term. What is remaining here? It is minus u power it is 1 by 4 and v power it is minus 5 by it is 4. Minus it is u power it is 1 by it is 4 into v power minus 5 by 4 remaining in the first term. Similarly plus 1 by 4 out and 3 t square also out. Remaining it is v power it is minus 1 by 4 into u power it is minus 3 by 4 is remaining in the second term. Now that write minus r in the denominator, that is equal to 3 it is t square by it is 4 as it is and minus u power it is 1 by 4 by it is v power it is 5 by it is 4 plus it is 1 by v power it is 1 by 4 into u power it is 3 by 4 that is remaining. Now taking off it is common denominator, that is equal to 3 t square by it is 4 within the bracket of common denominator we can take it is v power it is 5 by it is 4 into u power 3 by 4 common denominator. U power it is 3 by it is 4 into v power it is 5 by 4 as common denominator. Now what is it? V power it is 5 by 4 already we have this denominator, we want to multiply with the numerator is called u power it is 3 by 4. Therefore minus u into 1 by 4 into it is u power it is 3 by 4 plus the The second one, u power t is 3 by 4 we have, but we have the term it is called v power 1 by 2. We want to make it as it is common number as 5 by it is 4. Therefore, it is what? It is 5 by it is 4, that is equal to 1 by 4 plus it is 1. If you multiply, that is equal to 1 plus it is 4 by it is 5. So that is equal to 1 plus it is 4 by it is 4. Add the value, it is 5 by it is 4. Therefore, 5 by 4 we can write as it is 1 by 4 plus it is 1. So therefore, it is already we have it is 1 by 4. We want to multiply with the power as a v power it is 1. Therefore, it is v power it is 1. V power it is 5 by 4. We have already it is v power 1 by 2. We make it as it is common number equal to v power 5 by 4. 5 by 4 as it is 1 by 4 plus it is 1. Therefore, it is 1 plus 4 by 4 and we get 5 by 4. Therefore, if you write the 5 by 4 as it is, we can write 5 by 4 as it is what? V power it is 1 by 4 into v power 1. Both are in this index value. Therefore, v power it is 1 by 4 already we have denominator. We want to multiply it by it is v power it is 1. So, multiply v power 1 in the term. Now, just simplify the equation. Left hand side 3t square by it is 4 as it is. Now, just it is adding the term minus both it is terms base are same, adding index u power it is 1 by 4 plus it is 3 by 4. Then plus it is v by the denominator is called u power 3 by it is 4 into v power it is 5 by it is 4. And that is equal to 3t square by it is 4 outside the term as it is. And just the adding of it is the index value, both are same, it is the denominator, add the value 4 by 4 that is equal to 1 minus u plus it is v by it is u power it is 3 by 4 into it is v power it is 5 by it is 4 as it is. Now here we have to substitute the value of it is u and v. We know it is u is equal to what? It is t cube plus it is 1 and v equal to t cube it is minus 1 and substitute in this function that is equal to 3t square by it is 4 as it is minus and u equal to what? T cube plus it is 1 plus v equal to t cube minus it is 1 and by and u equal to t cube plus it is 1 whole power it is 3 by it is 4 into v equal to t cube plus minus it is 1 whole power it is 5 by it is 4. V equal to t cube minus 1 whole power 5 by 4. Just it is simplify the numerator, that is equal to 3t square by 4 as it is same it is denominator and just remove the bracket, multiply term minus it is t cube minus 1 plus it is t cube minus it is 1 minus t cube plus t both are it is cancelled, remaining we have it is minus 2. Therefore, that is equal to minus 3t square by it is 4 outside as it is minus 2 by the denominator it is simply same term. Just it is cancelled, it is 2 times and 2 4s are cancelled, that is equal to minus 3 by it is 2 into t square within the bracket of the term it is 1 by it is t cube plus 1 whole power it is 3 by it is 4 into t cube minus 1 t cube minus 1 whole power it is 5 by 4 5 by it is 4 and this call it is final simplification. The next one, question number 18, y equal to tan of cos x. Again same procedure to continue within the bracket term that is equal to u. Take u that is equal to it is cos x and that is implies y equal to tan of cos x defined by it is u. And this function, u function with respect to x, y function with respect to u. Differentiation of it is du by it is dx is equal to cos differentiation equal to minus sin x. Differentiation of cos become minus sin x. Then differentiate with respect to y as it is du, that is equal to differentiation of tan become it is secant square it is u. You know d by it is dx of it is tan x that is equal to secant square it is x. Now that is equal to applying on now chain rule by it is chain rule dy by it is dx that is equal to dy by it is du into it is du by dx that is equal to dy by du that is equal to what? Secant square it is secant square u into du by dx equal to minus it is sin x. Now that is equal to what? It is applying of it is u value, u equal to what? Consider here cos x. Therefore, secant square of it is cos it is x into minus it is sin it is x. And that is equal to minus sin x into secant square of cos it is x, and that is final simplification. The next question, 19, y equal to sin square by it is cos x. Now applying of quotient rule, you know about quotient rule, d by dx of it is u by it is v, that is equal to denominator it is v square, and first keep it is v as it is, differentiate numerator term, du by it is dx minus, and keep it is v as u as it is, differentiate dy by it is dx, and applying of it is quotient rule to derive this equation. Here u is called it is numerator and it is v is called it is denominator, it is sin square by it is cos x. Now differentiate with respect to it is x, dy by it is dx, the left hand side equation, by the denominator equal to what? It is cos, therefore it is v square, cos x, cos it is x, it is whole square. Again, what is the numerator? First it is v, keep as it is, cos x, keep it is as it is, differentiate with respect to x, the numerator is called sin square it is x, then it is minus, then keep it is u term, that is called sin square, and sin square it is x, keep as it is, differentiate with respect to x, the denominator term is called v, it is called cos it is x. Now that is equal to, and it is cos square it is x denominator, and keep it is cos x as it is, differentiation of it is sin square, applying of it is x power n form. Here x is called sin x, power it is n is called it is 2 here. Therefore it is n is called 2 into sin 2 minus it is 1 into x. And again differentiate the term d by it is dx of it is sin it is x. And this is important one. If you differentiate the function d by it is dx of x power it is n, and that is equal to it is n into x power it is n minus 1. If instead of this x, any other term is there here, it is d by dx of it is 2x whole power it is n, whole power n, and this term differentiate is equal to x power n form. Therefore, n into 2x whole power it is n minus 1. But instead of x, we have what term here? It is 2x. So therefore, again differentiate with respect to it is 2x. Therefore, it is equal to n into 2x whole power it is n minus 1. Again, differentiation of it is 2x. 2 is called coefficient term. X is with respect to x it is 1. Therefore, 2 into it is 1. Therefore, multiply the term 2 2s are 2 into n, and within the bracket 2x whole power it is n minus 1. This is called the derivative. The derivative by applying of any of this term along with this x, along with the x. Therefore, here it is instead of it is x, we have term is called sin. Therefore, it is x power n form. N into x power it is n minus 1. Again differentiate it is sin x with respect to x. Then minus sin square it is as it is. And differentiation of cos become what? Minus sin. Differentiate with respect to x as it is cos x, and it is equal to minus it is sin x derivative. Therefore, minus it is sin x. Now simplification, that is equal to 2 time of it is sin it is x, because 2 power it is 2 minus 1 is called 1, sin x into it is cos x, into the differentiation with respect to x, sin x become it is cos x. Differentiation of it is sin become cos, minus it is minus minus plus it is sin square into sin it is become it is sin cube it is x, by the denominator same. Next it is multiply, that is equal to 2 into sin it is x into cos x it is cos square x, plus it is sin square it is sin cube x, by it is cos square x denominator. In this 2 term it is sin x is common, therefore take it as sin x commonly, remaining within the bracket of it is 2 into cos square it is x, plus it is sin square it is x, by it is cos it is square it is x remaining. Now the cos 2 time of cos x, we can write cos x plus cos x, that is equal to sin it is x within the bracket of it is cos square it is x, plus it is cos square it is x, plus one more it is sin square it is x remaining, and by it is the same denominator. Now just it is applying a formula of it is sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Therefore it is sin x within the bracket of it is cos square x plus this two term as value is equal to 1 by it is cos square it is x as it is. Now just it is separating of these two terms, that is equal to sin it is x within the bracket of cos square by cos square plus 1 by cos square. Cos square by it is cos square it is x plus it is 1 by it is cos square it is x. Now these two are cancelled, it is sin x within the by it is both are cancelled 1 plus and 1 by cos equal to secant square it is x, and this is called final simplification. Come to the next question number 20. Y equal to 5 power minus 1 by it is 1 by x. Now again take a power term that is equal to u. Take u that is equal to minus 1 by x, and that is equal to, write a denominator form, write numerator form, minus x power it is minus 1. And that implies it is what is y? Y equal to 5 power, this term is called as u. Therefore it is 5 power it is u. U function with respect to x and y function with respect to u, differentiate du by it is dx that is equal to and minus x power n form. What is n here? It is minus 1. Therefore minus 1, n into x power it is minus 1 minus 1. N into x power n minus it is 1. That is equal to minus plus 1 is it is multiplied with x, it is x, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by it is x power it is 2. So because of minus, write denominator form 1 by x power 2, it is called du by dx. Now differentiate y function dy by it is du that is equal to, we know differentiation of d by it is dx of it is a power it is x that is equal to a power x into it is log it is a. And here it is a is called it is 5 here and x is called it is u. Therefore it is in a power x that is equal a power x equal to a power x into log a, and therefore it is 5 power it is u into log it is 5, because it is a is called it is 5, a power it is x into log it is a, and this is called differentiation of it is du by dy. Now applying of chain rule, dy by it is dx that is equal to dy by it is du into it is du by it is dx that is equal to dy by dx equal to what? 5 power it is u into log it is 5. Then it is du by dx equal to 1 by it is x square into 1 by it is x square, and that is equal to 5 power it is u that is equal to what? U we consider as minus 1 by x, minus it is 1 by x into it is log it is 5 into 1 by it is x square. Therefore that is equal to, write first log 5 in the first term, log it is 5 into it is 5 power it is minus 1 by x by it is x square. That is final simplification. The next one, 22nd one, y equal to sin cube x plus it is cos cube it is x. Now it is applying of it is a summation formula, y is equal to u plus it is b. The two terms on the summation, and u function with respect to x and v with function with respect to it is x. Therefore directly we can differentiate. Now the differentiation with respect to x, the given function, the left hand side y as it is dy by dx is equal to x power n form, x is called sin x, n is called it is 3. Therefore 3 into sin power 3 minus 1 into x. Again the term we want to differentiate, it is sin x, you know already. Therefore d by it is dx of it is sin it is x plus, similarly second term, and what it is x power it is n is called it is 3, x is called cos x. Therefore 3 into cos power 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 1 into x into it is d by it is dx of it is cos it is x. X power it is n. So therefore n equal to 3. 3 into x power it is n minus 1. But instead of x we have term as cos x. Again we want to differentiate it. And these two places are it is important one. Now that is equal to what simplification? 3 into sin power it is 3 minus 1 is called 2 sin square. Therefore it is sin square x into differentiation of it is sin become plus it is cos x plus 3 into cos power it is 2, 3 minus 1 is called 2, it is cos square. Again differentiation of cos become minus it is sin x. Now just simplify the term. In this term 3 it is sin square it is x into it is cos x, then plus into minus 3 into cos square it is x into it is sin it is x. In the two term 3 common, one sin common, one cos common, take commonly, that is equal to 3 into sin x into cos x we can take commonly. Remaining one more it is sin x in the first term minus one more it is cos x in the second term, and that is called final simplification. Come to the next one, question number 23rd one, y equal to sin square into cos it is kx. Again same process, it is continued within the bracket term, that is equal to it is u. Take u that is equal to cos it is kx, and that implies it is y equal to sin square, the total term is considered as u. And differentiate with respect to u as x, du by dx that is equal to cos become minus sin kx. Again differentiate with respect to kx. Now that is equal to minus sin it is kx as it is. Differentiation of it is k is called quotient term, with respect to x as respect to x it is 1. Therefore k into it is 1. That is equal to minus k into sin it is kx. The derivative of it is du by dx. Once again, the cos kx differentiation, cos become minus it is sin, but it is x as it is kx here. Again we want to differentiate the term it is kx, d by dx of it is kx, and differentiation of it is kx, k is called coefficient term. Differentiate with respect to x as it is 1. Therefore it is minus k into sin kx derivative. Differentiation of it is dy by it is du, y function with respect to u. Now it is sin it is square it is u, x na export it is n form, n equal to 2. That is equal to 2 into sin 2 minus 1 into u. Again we want to differentiate the sin u, d by it is du of it is sin it is u. That is equal to 2 into 2 minus 1 is called 1, it is sin it is u, and differentiation of sin u become it is cos it is u. That is equal to sin 2 time of it is sin u cos is equal to sin 2u. By applying a what formula? Sin it is 2 it is theta, it is equal to 2 it is sin theta into it is cos theta. Apply the sin 2 theta formula, and here therefore 2 time of sin u into cos u equal to sin it is 2 it is u. Now applying of it is chain rule. What is chain rule? By applying of it is chain rule, dy by it is dx is equal to dy by du into it is du by it is dx, that is equal to dy by dx equal to sin 2u, that is equal to sin 2 it is u. Du by dx that is equal to minus k into it is sin it is k it is x. Therefore, that is equal to minus into plus minus k into sin it is 2 it is u into sin it is k it is x. Now just it is substitute the value of it is u. What is u? U is called as cos it is kx, that is equal to minus k into sin it is 2 into within the bracket of cos it is kx is called is u into it is sin it is k it is x, and this is called final simplification.